What's up, guys? It's Doodoo Poker here, back for another video. Today we're going to be talking about 3-bet pots, okay? And how slight changes completely affect C-bet frequencies, and also why, okay? So we're going to look at two spots, all right? So we're on the button, the cutoff opens, okay? We 3-bet with our range, and the cutoff calls, okay? So I'm going to give you two very similar boards, and we're going to look at how the C-bet frequencies change. Okay, so 10-5-2 is the first board. Okay, so we know as button this is a high frequency bet. You can even range bet it if you want. Okay, so we know it's bet 81% of the time for bigger sizing. Okay, so let's just look at a breakdown of why button's betting so much. Okay, we see here top pair 9.9%. Okay, so keep that number in your mind. Okay, I'm just going to change one card here. I'm going to change the 10 of spades into a 9 of spades. Okay, now how often do you think they bet? Look, they bet only 66% of the time. Okay, now let's look at the breakdown. All right, why do you think this is? Let's go here. Less top pair, right? Okay, also your hands like ace king and ace queen and ace jack do not have backdoor straight draws on the 9 high, right? On the 10 high they do. So when a queen or jack comes, let's say I have ace king. If I have a 10 high board, excuse me, a queen or a jack will help me. If I have a 9 high board, a queen or a jack does not help me. Okay, now let's go to one other spot that really illustrates this. Okay, we're going to go to button, and we're in the small blind. We 3-bet to 12. Button calls. Okay, let's go to a 10 high board. All right, now we know this is very high frequency bet, and you could range it almost 85%. Okay, now let's do one minor alteration. Okay, so put that 85% in your mind. Okay, all I'm going to do is change the 10 of spades to a 9 of spades. That's all I'm going to do. Okay, what do you think a 9-5-2 frequency is? Okay, we know 10-5-2 is 85. Watch this. A 9-5-2 is getting checked more than bet. And I just changed one card. The 10-5-2 rainbow was C-bet 85%. Now the 9-5-2 rainbow is C-bet less than 50. Less than 50 now. Okay, why is this? Well, let's go to top pair. We can break it down from there. On a 9-5-2, they have 7.6%. Okay, now let's go to 10-5-2. 10-5-2, small blind has 14%. So on the 10 high board, we have more top pair. That's one reason. Okay, the second reason is on the 9-5-2, hands like 7-6, 8-6, all those connect on the 9-5-2. Those do not connect on the 10-5-2. So you're going to get more folds from the button. Okay, because button will just fold 8-7 suited, 7-6 suited. On the 9-5-2, button is calling those hands. All right, that's point number 2. Now the final point, which is the most important point to me, is hands like ace king, ace queen, ace jack. Okay, very common hand. Okay, we have lots of those combos in our range, right? Those hands pick up less equity on the turn when you have a 9 high board as opposed to a 10 high board. If I have ace king and the board is 9-5-2, a queen or a jack does not help me. Okay, if I have 10-5-2, a queen or a jack does help me. So there's more backdoor draws. Okay, so I have a backdoor straight draw on the 10-5-2. I do not have it on the 9-5-2 with ace king, ace queen, and ace jack. All right, guys, so 3 things. More backdoor straight draws with your overcards on the 10 high board. On the 9 high board, the 9 and the 5 interact. On the 10 high board, they don't. And more top pair with the small blind on the 10 high board compared to the 9 high board. All right, guys, thanks for checking out the video. I appreciate the comments and the viewing. and I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. New video every day, 9 a.m. Take care.